bukas, Feb 14, Valentine's Day. 3 days after ay, nako, ito Chinese New Year na.
Sunod-sunod tayo ng events.
Year of the Fire Horse. At sa puntong ito, usapang feng shui muna tayo with our suki na feng shui expert, Miss Jean Chua. Ma'am Jean, magandang Biyernes, Lord po, at si Diego.
Hi, good afternoon po, Sir Lloyd and Jacob. Thank you for inviting me.
Opo, naka-blue po kayo. Yan ba yung lucky color sa paparating na papasok na taon, Ma'am Jean?
Yes, opo. Year of the Fire Horse, since this year, kulang po tayo ng water energy. So this is to enhance no, the water luck. No? Kasi water in feng shui is about money or cash flow. So that's why you need to have enhanced itong blue color para mas maging maganda po yung communication natin lahat and maganda po yung pagpasok ng pera or yung mga negosyo.
Pero Ma'am Gina, in general muna, let's start bago tayo maging specific sa mga signs. In general, the outlook for the nation, ano ang nakikita mo?
So far naman, this year is a fire horse. No? Everything here is very aggressive. No? So fire kasi denotes passion, creation, and determination. So as a, let's say, focus on our Philippines. No? Philippines kasi is sa Southeast Asia direction, right? So Southeast this year is very lucky. So in terms of career luck or mga business progression, this year maraming possible or potential luck for us to improve. Pero kailangan lang natin is to stay calm and stay patient so sa lahat ng decision making natin para hindi po tayo magkamali sa mga transactions or mga finances natin.
Meron daw, sa simula raw ng 2026, sabi naman ng iba, ma'am, ay meron daw start ng 60-year cycle na mula sa Year of the Fire Horse, papuntang, o yung Red Horse, papunta sa Red Goat. At ito daw ay cycle daw ng upheaval. At pinupoint out nila, Vietnam War daw, yung nangyari daw sa China. Ano ho bang masasabi niyo? May katotohanan ho ba ito?
So far kasi ang energy kasi ng Fire Horse, tama po kayo na every 60 years nag-uulit po yung element, no? So when we say fire element kasi is very strong fire, so tendency, nagkakaroon lang tayo ng mga communication, misunderstanding, and quarrel star. That's why that's a time na we need this year to enhance yung calming and patience, and also we need to be more careful on sa mga nakikipag-usap sa lahat ng tao para to avoid yung mga misunderstanding or to avoid yung mga negative impact against us.
Naku, dapat pala konsultahin ng mga diplomats natin si Ma'am Jean, ano?
Oo.
For temperate language. Oo.
Sino mismo?
Parang lahat involved siguro, parang hindi maingat kasi doon sa choice of words.
Very.
Parang ganun, ma'am, ano? Yung tono, yung pagpili ng mga pananalita, mahalaga po yan.
We should be very careful no on talking or negotiating with different people. Kasi this year, since it's a fire element year, so tendency people are very aggressive, no? Kung ano lang yung naririnig nila or nakikita nila, nagkakaroon po tayo ng mga negative judgment. That's why this year, we need to enhance or to improve our communication skills, no? And to improve our intelligence or knowledge and wisdom sa lahat ng aspect of our trabaho. So hindi tayo pwede magiging sobrang short temper lang or short notice kasi dun po papasok lahat ng problems natin. And that's the time that we need to be very, very, very careful po.
Dahil itong period na to raw ay period ng massive changes daw talaga.
Yes.
Okay ho ba to sa mga innovators, sa mga inventors, sa mga industrialists, ma'am?
Para sa mga industry naman, very okay po yung mga improvement ng mga fire element industry. So, yung mga involved dito is like yung mga restaurant, mga food, mga technologies, mga computers, no? Maganda po yung mga progress nila. So, that's why this year is also a best year for us to reset, no? Kung ano yung mga strategy and system that you want to improve. So, that's how you're going to manipulate or how you're going to manage certain projects or businesses so that you can achieve success and good result.
How about, ma'am, gusto ko tanong siyempre, as a profession natin, interested ako sa media. sa whole, no? For this year, na supposedly...
Makakapahinga ho ba tayo? Kasi
Oo.
sunod-sunod yung mga
Kasi
nangyayari.
sabi mo, communication skills, kailangan bantayan na maigi at kasi people will tend to be aggressive. Pero sa hanay naman namin, in media, ano ang outlook?
So for the entertainment or the media, no?
Yes.
So kailangan lang natin to have a good research and kailangan po tama po yung mga informations na kuha natin para hindi tayo magkaroon ng mga fake news or mga negative comments or mga judgment. So you have to be having very good research team or mga people that really having good advices, no, para at least lahat ng dinedeliver natin mga informations, mga news ay maging maganda po yung output natin or maganda po yung impact sa mga viewers natin.
May tanong po ako.
Go.
Di ba, Year of the Fire Horse, so kailangan daw ng yung water element kailangan kailangan magbalanse, tama ho ba? Pero after po, a month after nag-interview po tayo, ma'am, ang sunod-sunod na balita naman dito ay mga sea mishaps, mga aksidente po sa
Kaya,
dagat.
oo.
May parallel, may connection ho ba ito, Ma'am Jean?
Yes, opo. Kasi this year, pag ititignan natin po the energy impact ng mga calamity or disaster or might be yung mga accident, no, more on sa mga depende more on sa mga lalaki side, no. So kasi sila mas meron prone to mga accident and danger. Kaya so far this year, 2026, no, so sa mga leader of the company or mga male or mga involved sa mga career, no, you have to be very safe or very careful, no, on taking or actions or decision making para to avoid yung mga danger, accident, or any issues, no, or problems.
Kamusta ho ba maging kapalaran ng mga pinakagwapong sign sa Chinese zodiac, ang mga rabbit?
Pareho kami yan.
Okay, so for sa mga rabbit, no, you're very lucky this year because you have a potential star that can support you from career promotions or kaya naman you have the opportunity to have good business expansions, no? Kaya this year is the best year for you to look for opportunity that relates to your passion or relates to your interest, no? So that you can have the target goal to make it more success and more meaningful.
Aba, maganda.
Interesting.
Lucky pala, no?
Swerte.
Sino yung medyo dapat mag-ingat na sign?
So for this year, since it's the year of the fire force, kayo po mismo, year of the force, kailangan mas maingat kayo, no? Kasi kayo po yung parang pinaka-center of the attractions na lahat ng taon ay nakakita sa inyo. So sometimes there are good compliments or negative judgment against you. You have to stay calm and stable, no? Para hindi ka ma-affected emotionally. Kasi kayo po yung number one din na conflict and challenging of the year. And second, yung mga year of the rat. So mas maging careful tayo in terms of handling your emotions and temperament. So wag tayo masyado mag-react kaagad kapag may mga situation that are not favorable to you. So you need to stay calm and patient still.
Sa rat yun, sa rat.
Sa mga daga, oo.
Asawa ko yun, rat.
Si Angela.
Year of the rat.
So, pag nagagalit si Angela, sabi ni Miss Jean, relax ka lang.
Hindi ko pwede sabihin yan, Miss Jean. Sabihin ko sa asawa ko, relax ka lang. Baka yung rabbit ko maging stew ako.
Baka mag-relax ka sa kalye.
Oo.
Sa mga nais po, Miss Jean, na kumonsulta po sa inyo, dahil inaabuso na natin ang
Sobra.
ang kabaitan ni Miss Jean, saan po sila maaaring dumulog, Miss Jean?
Yeah, for those who wants to have more customized, no, or you want to have an online consultation, you can contact me on my social media, Facebook or Instagram. You can type Jean Yu Chua, or you can also visit our physical store at Dragon Phoenix Enterprise in Binondo, or you can also visit our Green Hills store, Golden Phoenix Feng Shui store.
Naku, alam mo, punong-puno ang Salazar Street pag weekend. At siguro,
Opo.
dinadalaw talaga dyan ang mga gaya po nila, Jean. Ano po yan? Ano sinasabi ni Direk? Naririnig mo sinasabi ni Direk?
So yan, ayun.
Oo. May snake daw. Pasingit na lang, ma'am. Alam mo naman mga snake, mahilig sumingit.
Mga ahas.
Ahas na lang daw, ma'am.
Ayun, so for Year of the Snake naman, this year is a good year for you, no, to have your strategy and your planning. Kasi since 2025 is your unlucky year, so then since marami po kayo challenges or marami kayong mga responsibility na hindi nila natapos, no? So this year is a good year for you to come back and to get new review or kung ano yung mga things or projects that you want to start again. Yun. So kailangan mo lang this year is to be more positive thinking na kaya mo gawin and to find your passion and to have a good decision making para you
Ayan.
can achieve more success itong 2026.
Yung buhay pag-ibig nila, di bale na lang, ano, wala na talagang pag-asa yung mga ganun. Malamang, Jegs.
Kaya, wala ba?
So mga ano po, may mga animal signs po na lucky for the love energy. So especially for the mga year of the ox, rooster and snake, no. Actually this year is the best year for you to look for a good partner. O kaya naman you can have a good resources to connect more people, no,
Interesting.
to expand your network and resources. And also yung mga year of the horse, no, is also lucky this year for in terms of good relationship. And the rabbit, saka yung year of the sheep. So, meron kayong mga love star or love energies, but depending po kung ano yung directions or ano yung priority niyo po. Okay, and we say relationship luck kasi sometimes more on your personal partner or might be having a good relationship with your supplier or business or might be you can have good resources or network, ganun. So, kaya depending on your priority or your target goal for this year on how you're going to handle well with your relationship.
Gusto ko yun. Supplier na may pag-ibig din, na nagsusupply ng pag-ibig. Oo. Okay. Ms. G. Chua, maraming salamat po. We appreciate your time. Thank you po sa ating feng shui expert, Ms. Jean Chua.
Yeah, thank you so much. Happy Chinese New Year and wish you prosperity and good luck. Thank you.
Kailangan
Salamat po, ma'am.